Yo, James. Sorry, I don't know if you guys can hear me. I got a brand new mic. Yeah, got a brand new mic. Um, so this video is just going to, I'm just gonna react because my friends say I have to watch this one video. He recommended this video actually to me, so I'm gonna be watching this video right now. So matter of fact, you know what, James, subscribe, like, and all that. I keep forgetting this is YouTube and it's not live streaming. Subscribe, like, all of that. You know what I mean? Because why not? It's free. It's free. But anyways, let's get into it. Let's get into it. I think it's how to basic turkey video. Yeah, if you're watching this, fam, I'm really sorry. Um, I watched a couple seconds of it by accident. Um, what is this now? But yeah, let's get into it. Let's get into it. Wait, is the audio coming through?
Yeah, I'm an AI, but I'm here to talk apps. Real apps you can build in minutes with Base 44. This finance app solves your business headache.
Okay, you know what? We're just gonna stop it right there. We're gonna stop it right there. Um, now I see why. Now I see why you recommended this. Now I see why. Now I see. Ladies and gentlemen, this guy, I'm telling you guys right now, this guy is gonna teach you the right way of making a turkey. How to stuff. Wait, what's the title? How to stuff a turkey, fam. Fam, I'm telling you guys right now, all your children needs to be watching these videos to teach them. Don't teach them how to do it like physically. Show them this video. Why is it wet? Okay. what is, what is this guy doing it? No. You nasty. I know why you're watching the. Oh my days, bro. Now I know why you watch this on a daily basis.
Hey, yo!
Hey yo. Oh my days. Wait, I just wanna let everybody know, yeah? I just wanna let everybody know. I just wanna clarify, this guy's glove is broken. I just wanna clarify, this guy's glove is broken. But anyways, let's just get into it. Let's just get into it, fam. I just wanna say, I am never trusting my friends when they tell me, oh, here's a video you can watch for YouTube. I'm never trusting them again. I'm never trusting them again. Yeah, because you're protect. Wait, I wanna know like what goes through your mind to make this kind of video. Like how does people think of this kind of videos? I genuinely don't know. That sound, but I don't like the sound. had to kill the child. I mean, man had to eliminate the child, fam. What? Man's literally betting him as well. Where's man? You know what? Because like I've been having problems opening up doors. I've been having problems opening up doors.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So I think we're gonna watch that. How to open a door. Let's watch that. Let's watch that. What was that, fam? What was that? I mean, you got what you asked for. To be honest, you got what you asked for. You got what you asked for. What was that? But James, that's gonna be all for today. I watched another clip, but it didn't get it because it stopped working again on my phone. But yeah, James, I'm gonna be trying to do more reaction videos, and I don't know how it is. It's just because I can't play games right now. I will be playing games like with my followers and stuff like that, but I don't want to play Among Us, bro. That's just not. It's not me, fam. I don't play that. But yeah, James, don't worry, don't worry. Soon I'll be coming out with videos where I go outside and post it on my YouTube, and the clip versions will be going on my TikTok, and I'm going live on Twitch and on TikTok. Not anymore, but you know what I mean. I am going live there. So go check me out there. The next video will be up here, and subscribe. Wait, subscribe, fam. Subscribe. You know, don't be like that.